Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, thank you so much for stopping by. Please do not forget to hit the subscribe button and click on the post notification bell to get notified on every new video I post. And if you're an old subscriber of mine, thank you so much for always coming back. Thank you so much for always watching my video. Thank you so much for your support. I know I have been MIA on you guys lately, but trust me, it's been a lot of things happening behind the camera.
And that's my bestie, my bestie, my best friend. Go best friend.
This video wasn't sponsored by any company or whatsoever. I am just giving my reviews. I think I just want to be doing like some hair reviews on my channel as well, so I thought of let me just put this out there. So I am going to be installing this hair from Aliper. It is a 1B613 bob lace front unit, and so this is how the hair is. This is how the hair came, and it also came with a thank you card, a hair booklet, I think, showing you how to take care of the hair. I think this is really good. And it also came with this elastic band to tie down the lace to give it that melted look. I've had it for a while now, but I just thought of, you know, installing it and filming at the same time. I mean, why would I want to waste content when I have stuff like this that I could put out there, you know what I mean? But so yeah, this is how it's looking. It came with a ball cap, with a wig cap. I really don't know where that is right now because I already unboxed it before I started this video. Well, aside this, I have a lot of content cooking up that I'm gonna be putting out here soon. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I would advise you positively to click on that subscribe button down below and click on the post notification bell to get notified on every new video I will be posting on this channel. And trust me, there are no bad vibes here. If you want to be part of this family, if you want us to grow organically, I know I'm not consistent, but trust me, I am trying my best to be that YouTuber, like that YouTube girl that I always want to be. But yeah, let's get right into the video. Okay, so I am not gonna be melting down any wig cap or bob cap. I'm just gonna be like using it to secure my cornrows. Yeah, I'm just gonna be using it to secure my cornrows and, you know, giving it that buzz cap look, that's cap look with this wig cap before installing the wig. That is what I am doing right now. I'm just gonna leave it so flat like this. So this is a ghost bond glue. I don't know, I rip off the sticker on it, but this is a ghost bond glue, the blue one, not the pink. And in case you see me looking down, I have my mirror down here, which I am using as a guide. So yeah, I'm just gonna put it right. Okay guys, now that I'm done putting the glue on my scalp, I am just gonna use my comb to spread the glue out. Like, if you all watch closely, I did not put the glue on my edges. I put it right in front of my edges, like a little bit forward, and I am just gonna be spreading it backward a little. You want to make sure you're spreading it really thin, like, you know how you spread butter or peanut butter on your bread? That's how you should spread this glue. Like, you want to make sure you're spreading it really thin. Like I said before, I am not putting no glue on my edges. Where you see the bob cap, where the bob cap ends, that is where my edges are. Like, yeah, I really don't have a lot of edges. And no, it's not because of the lace front that I wear that make me not have edges. I just don't have edges like that.
You know the saying, rich girls don't have edges? Yeah, that's me. That's me, boo-boo. You can go argue with your keyboard. So the next thing I'm gonna be doing is blow dry it, and I'm gonna be putting it on the low cold and using my hand to slide it a little bit to hot and cold so it melts really fast.
Okay guys, now that this one is clear, I am gonna be going with another layer. I'm just gonna be doing 2 layers, but usually if you want to keep it for like a long time, you can either go like 3 layers, but I'm just gonna be doing 2 layers because I really don't know how to. I think I'm almost running out of this glue, because even when I go 2 layers, I still can keep this unit for like a week before taking it out, because I do know how to maintain it. Like I'm just saying, because not everybody really knows how to keep up with this frontal. Lace frontal is very stressful, guys. When I say it is high maintenance, I mean it is high maintenance, like really, really high. You just have to learn to get used to it, love lace frontal unit, then that way you would definitely be able to to maintain it. But yeah, I love my weaves always. Then braid, because I feel I have thin edges. When I braid my hair, it easily breaks. So because of that, I tend to wear a lot of weaves. I don't know, people be like, oh, weaves will take all your edges out, it's gonna break your hair, it damages your hair. But honestly, it hasn't been like that for me. Weaves protect my hair more. Weaves make my edges like grow faster. Like when I take out this unit, you're gonna see my edges will be so full and looking thicker. So now that I've gone on this second layer, I'm just gonna do the same thing I did to the first layer by blow drying it and making sure it is clear, and then we'll start the installation. So now that the second layer is clear, we are just gonna be installing the hair. This is the hair, guys. Like, it is really pretty and the texture feels really, really soft. And I did not bleach the knot of this hair, and I'm not also applying any foundation on my cap. I'm not doing no ball cap method. I'm just using this to protect my cornrows while I throw on this weaves. But yeah, let's just do it. Okay. This is how it is looking. Okay, I'm not even done and I'm already feeling myself. So let's cut out the lace.
Pardon me, why don't you come over here? I need to ask you something quickly, my dear. Why do you always settle for something less? You know that, baby, you deserving the best. Yeah, yeah. Go take a look up in the mirror. You gotta see a little clearer. Who's that woman looking right back? She's a beauty queen, bad. You ain't nobody's number 2. These men, they should be fighting over you. No second guessing what I'm saying. Baby, you can take this to the bacon. Make it sweet. It's time to listen to yourself right now. Make it sweet. Don't even listen to these guys right now. Make it sweet. There's no one like you anywhere in the world. You have a strength like nothing I've ever seen. You're like a woman ripped right out of my dreams. Yeah, yeah. Go take a look up in the mirror. You gotta see a little clearer. Who's that woman looking right back? And she's a beauty queen, bad, bad. You ain't nobody's number two. These men, they should be fighting over you. No second guessing what I'm saying. Baby, you can take this to the bank and make it sweet. It's time to listen to yourself right now. Make it sweet. Don't even listen to these guys right now. Make it sweet. Let's trash your baby deep inside right now. Make it sweet. So go and see what you can find right now. It's time to make a switch. Just open your eyes. Ooh. You're perfect just like this. I'm telling no lies. Make it sweet. It's time to listen to yourself right now. Make it sweet. Don't even listen to these guys right now. Make it sweet.
I told you I'm not here to mess around, and you've been acting too mysterious. You didn't think I'd go, but do you now? You never took me seriously. You don't have the time for me. I don't have the time to please you. I'll pack all your things away. You're welcome. Broken promises, we got me out of work.
But yeah guys, this is the finished look and I hope you love it. I must say this unit is really pretty, easy to install, easy to maintain. I mean, it did shed a little bit, but you know, the normal shedding when you cut the lace and all that stuff. But this hair is really pretty and I love how it is looking all nice and cute. Yes. Baby, this is giving life, this is giving beauty, this is giving everything nice, everything expensive. And I must say this hair is really easy to work with. I know my editing sucks. I really don't know how to put it all together properly. I will recommend, I'm gonna be leaving the link of this hair in the description box below just in case you all want to purchase. But I hope I'm able to, you know, show you all one or two details on how to install this unit. If you're looking to adding another hair color or hairstyle to your wig unit, this is actually something to invest in and it is really affordable. I think I got it for less than 200. It was about 100 or something. I literally did not add any foundation to cut the pad. Like if I come closer, you're gonna be seeing the pad all neat because of the ball cap I wore underneath. It is really pretty. Maybe I could go on to apply a little foundation for the pad if I want to, but I feel like I want to leave it like this because it's more looking like a scalp. And yeah, if you're still here and you've watched this video this far, thank you so much for supporting. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below and click on the post notification bell to get notified on every new video I post. Like I said earlier in the beginning of this video, I have a lot of content cooking up and I'll be posting soon. I'm trying to be consistent, but it's not just as easy as it seems. But yeah, thank you so much for watching and I will see you guys in my next video. Love you guys. Bye.